lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm glad having you back again. Today I'm going to show you how to make hummus at home. For this hummus recipe, I'm going to start by bringing my homemade tahini into the blender. I've made a video on how you can make tahini at home, so I'm using half cup of tahini. And you're going to need freshly squeezed lemon juice. I recommend fresh lemon juice for your hummus recipe. I'm just going to squeeze the lemon juice through a strainer to collect the seeds. I'm just going to blend this a little bit to have a very smooth tahini paste. Once I've processed this into a smooth paste, I'm going to go in with other hummus ingredients such as 2 small garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, you can add to your own taste, 1/3 teaspoon of cumin, this adds lots of flavor to your hummus, a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil smoothens your own hummus and gives it a creamy texture. After that, I'm just going to blend this again for a minute. And once I've mixed all the ingredients and they're well combined, I'm going to go in with my chickpeas. You can always use canned chickpeas, but I recommend properly cooked and soft chickpeas. So I have made this is my homemade chickpeas, so I'm going to add this half at a time. Okay, as you start to blend, this might seem difficult, but as you keep blending, it becomes easier. So I'm adding in the remaining portion of the chickpeas. At this stage, I have a very thick consistency, which is very creamy. I'm going to be adding in ice cold water, so I'll be adding 3 tablespoons. So I'm adding the first 2 and I'll be adding the next later. Water gives your hummus a creamy consistency and it helps it to be fluffy and silky. Once I've gotten to a very creamy consistency like this, I'm just going to go ahead and test this. Okay, so at this point I know I need more salt, and you can add more lemon and garlic if you like a tangy and a strong garlicky flavor, so you can add more. And I'm just going to pulse this just one more time. So guys, I have a very thick and creamy homemade hummus. So I'm just going to refrigerate this for a while to firm up a little bit. So guys, I left my hummus in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it becomes even thicker and creamier. So at this point, I'm just going to top it up with olive oil. Once I've made a small pit in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and top it up with some extra olive oil. And you can also sprinkle some ground paprika over the surface, just the way you would like. You can sprinkle some chopped parsley over your hummus, or you can use sumac if you have that. Nothing beats homemade hummus. The flavor and the taste is just so unique. It's far better than store-bought hummus. So guys, you can use your hummus as a dip or as a spread for pita bread, sandwich, sliced apples, broccoli, cauliflower, and you can also use it in your salads. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you really like this video. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos whenever I upload them. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.